Here we are, another edition of TRC Power Spotlight, and I love the product that I'm about to introduce to you today. Now available at TRC Electronics, VoxPower's NEVO+600 modular configurable power series. Now, this is your ideal solution for the demanding industrial and medical applications in a very compact and sleek package. The NEVO+600 series offers unrivaled performance and flexibility for system designers. Let's talk about power here. With a compact footprint of only 5 inches by 3 inches and only 1.61 inches in height, this power supply provides a high power density of up to 25 watts per cubic inch for a total of 600 watts of power in this little package. And get this, the unit only weighs in at 1.32 pounds when it's fully configured. Modular configuration allows system designers to customize this unit with design flexibility in mind when accommodating the power needs of your application. We can discuss the modules that permit this customization more in depth right now. The NEVO+600 can accommodate a maximum of 4 isolated output modules that you configure into the input module. Now, they can be configured into a high power single output power supply or multiple output power supply with up to 8 isolated output voltages. The NEVO+600 series offers numerous module options to customize your application needs. Now, what you can choose from, and we show here in the table, 5 volts, 12 volts, 24 volts, and 48 volts single outputs, dual 12 volt and dual 24 volt outputs. And in addition, really nice here, they offer high power in 12 and 24 volt DC 300 watt output modules for some savings. Now, each of these modules offer a wide output adjustment range for additional flexibility, and that flexibility range is shown there in the table. Configuration can be rather complex, and this is where TRC Electronics provides you so much value. We will walk you through the module selection process and perform the custom model configuration for you so we can simplify that process. Then once that's approved, we'll perform the final assembly right here at our USA TRC Electronics headquarters and ship that custom configurable power supply to you the very next day. Simply call our team at 888-612-9514 and we'll get that going for you right away. A little bit more about this power supply. The AC input operating range is 85 to 264 volts AC. It has an operating temperature range of -20 to +70 degrees Celsius. We show you the derating curve here, which is pretty typical for power supplies. Derating begins at 50 degrees Celsius, and the power supply output derates between 50 and 70, so take a look here at that derating curve so you're aware of the diminished output power at those higher temperatures. The NEVO+600 is built with a single intelligent DC cooling fan. Now, this intelligent fan control provides optimized airflow for various load and temperature conditions. It's also available in a low noise fan version for your extremely quiet environments where that kind of operation is required. The NEVO+600 series is designed to support applications in both medical and industrial markets, and that's why they offer in 2 different versions. We offer the NEVO+600S, which is IEC UL 62368-1, which is industrial certified. And then secondly, we offer the NEVO+600M, which is IEC EN 60601-1 certified. The medical version is also equipped with 2 times MOPP rating, which ensures the highest level of patient protection. The NEVO+600 series has some really amazing features I also want to share. They include a single built-in 5 volt at 1 amp max auxiliary output. We have remote sense function and some really convenient programmable features. You can program the output voltage as well as program the constant current level of these outputs. Now, the NEVO+600 modular power supply can be used in multiple applications because of these safety certifications and because of the high power density, and also this tremendous flexibility. These power supplies have both the medical and ITE safety certifications. We can use these power supplies successfully in various medical and laboratory equipment, factory automation, robotics, laser equipment, and kiosk displays, to name a few. This power supply has your standard built-in power supply protections that you would expect. They include under voltage, over voltage, and over temperature protection. Finally, this power supply is supported with a Vox Power 3-year warranty. If you like this video, if you don't like this video, give me a like anyway. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and feel free to put your questions in the comments or call in at 888-612-9514. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you on the next TRC Power Spotlight.